Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Twinkling Tips. I hope you guys doing great. और आप I know आपने कल का vlog देखा है and I've got so much of appreciation from the last vlog. So stay tuned for all the vlogs that I would be sharing. So day 2 at Maldives. Super excited to show you all the room tour and the view. Guys, hold on your breath. The room is amazing. And trust me, the whole credit goes to my husband. So love you for this. And yeah, okay guys, so this is the villa that we are staying at. That's called Sunset Villa. It's this one that is our room. And this is how the villa looks. Oh, by the way, this is the open shower that we're having behind this. So that's beautiful. I'm going to show you all the washroom. It's really nice. So let's begin. This is our room. It is so beautiful. So this is a small glimpse of our room, and the services that they're providing is really very nice. So it's the washroom I was talking about, wherein you can have bath here. It's kind of an open washroom. So I was so excited seeing all these stuff, but everything is chargeable. So I was shocked that okay, यहाँ पे पानी का भी charge होता है. So, but anyways. So for the safe side, my sweet mother-in-law has sent me all of these things. She said, "भाई तू लेके जा, वहाँ तेरे को भूख लगेगी." So thank you for this. This is a big time savior for the delays that we had for our flights yesterday. This is all the stuff. Okay, so hold on your breath, guys. The most beautiful thing that the most beautiful view I can ever say. So just look at this. I mean, wow. इसे कहते हैं जन्नत. I mean, just look at this, यार. I mean, बस रूम से बाहर निकलते ही you have got this. Wow. I mean, this is the cutest thing. So let's go. So actually what all you can see is all the shells pieces. Just look at this. Wow. I mean, this is amazing, guys. So guys, this is the view from behind. I mean, this is so beautiful. I just wanted to share with you all because everybody was asking me to share me the room tour because there are many people who want to come down to Maldives, my friends who are getting married. So guys, you must come to Sun Island. For further updates, I'll definitely help you all in the comment section. You guys can comment me below. But look at this. Wow. Wow. Seriously, I mean, great work, Cookie. All credit goes to you. I don't know whether you can feel the breeze or you can hear the voice of the water. मतलब इतना साफ पानी है यहाँ पर, इतना ज़्यादा साफ. This one is just to let you know. आप मेरे बाल देख सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा उड़ रहा है. मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा यहाँ पर हवा चल रही है इस वक्त. एंड कल रात को इतनी बारिश हुई है बहुत. I mean, it was thundering at night. So worth coming to Maldives. And I can never forget this trip. The start is so beautiful. Seriously, it is so beautiful. Stay tuned. I'll be sharing with you all the updates. So we're going to go for breakfast now. तो मैं वहाँ चलकर आपको सारा ब्रेकफास्ट का अपडेट भी दूंगी. आई नो कल के वीडियो में ज़्यादा कुछ आ नहीं पाया था. द प्लेस दैट वी आर हैविंग अ डिनर. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. Okay guys, so this is how the place looks like. This is, I mean, इतना कुछ है खाने के लिए. This is amazing. हर एक चीज़ का सेक्शन अलग है यहाँ पे. ब्रेड सेक्शन अलग, इंडियन सेक्शन अलग. So this is the Indian section wherein we do have chapati, puri, dosa and stuff like that. This is all Italian section where we have pastas and everything. This is the milk section and the juices, fruits. A big thumbs up to this restaurant. It is really very beautiful. So I'll be showing you the place जहाँ पे हम actually बैठे हैं for the breakfast. Okay guys, so we are going to have breakfast. So we are going to have breakfast with a view of the beach. Wow. Can you all see that? I mean, it is so beautiful. Okay, so I could not show you all the venue yesterday because it was very late when we arrived at the resort, but just thought of sharing you all few glimpses. I could not capture the whole resort because it's a huge resort, so I just thought to just how much ever I could just record it, I just did it. So now we're heading towards a farm place that is Salad Zero. It has got banana farm. Then there is even poultry there. So okay, so we have come to this Salad Zero, all natural. It's a kind of a mini park wherein you get all natural vegetables and drinks. So Shivam, where are we going?
We're going for a farm tour.
And where is it?
Here we have chicken farm, here we have banana and dart. I don't know what dart or date what it is. We'll go first chicken.
But I can't see any chicken right now. Guys, so this is all banana. Okay, so this side is banana.
I don't know, he says chicken. I guess we'll see chicken now.
Okay. Let's see, but we can all see bananas here. We cannot find any chicken. Wow, what a view on top.
Clear blue sky.
Yeah. Okay, so this is complete banana farm.
No,
I guess.
chicken.
No, so banana is also here and chicken is as well here. Yeah. So it's being said that today the climate is very beautiful. What is it?
See.
Oh god. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section who all loves rabbit. I really I get scared of rabbits a lot. My goodness. There are so many. What are these?
Duck and quail.
Duck and quail.
क्या लिखा है?
Duck house. No, it's only duck. It's only duck. My god. Still end.
It's there also. They've got their own pool.
Oh wow. But we can't go there, right?
We can.
No, we can't go that side.
Just like
No, no. Okay, so now we're heading towards our water sports. That is, the first that we are going to do is kayaking, and the second that we were supposed to do is jet skiing. So, what are you gonna do?
jet skiing.
Excited?
Yeah.
Be careful.
What do you want to do? I'll come again. I'll come back.
So first time with the trial rounds, I guess I've done with the trial. You can load it what?
So this is the beautiful view from we actually started the villa. So guys, do let me know in the comment section whether you're liking this vlog, as it's my very first vlog, and I'll always keep trying to make such vlogs, but all I'll be needing is your support. And for that, the very first thing that you all need to do is give a big fat thumbs up to this channel and like, share, comment and subscribe to your friends and family. Okay, I don't know whether you all can see it or no, but that's the shark over there. Yeah. So ये jetty था जिससे हम सब उतरे थे, and this is the way from coming to our island. So island starts from there, and this huge our island is. It's beautiful, yaar. I mean, worth coming to this place. A big thumbs up. It's beautiful. The weather, everything. Wow. Okay guys, so finally we are done with our dinner, and the day was really amazing. We enjoyed a lot. What did we do? I guess Shivam can explain better.
Jet skiing and kayaking, canoeing.
Canoeing, yeah. Canoeing was boring. It was hell lot boring, but
Jet ski.
jet ski I did for like a couple of minutes. So yeah, that was nice.
Not couple of minutes. We did for 10 minutes.
You did for 10 minutes.
No,
I
we did for 10 minutes. I did for 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. So before ending this vlog, I just wanted to introduce you to two people who have actually been so welcoming. One is Mr. Alam, who has taken care of us. He actually cleans the table and keeps all the crockeries and everything. And one is Mr. Satish. Okay, Mr. Satish, who takes care of the Indian cuisine. Actually, he
The
makes
chef.
it. The chef. So they're really amazing. So let's go and meet them. So this is Mr. Alam, who has taken care of us a lot. वो मतलब हमारे टेबल पे सिर्फ 2 ही चेयर्स थे, but then हमें बैग्स रखने में प्रॉब्लम होती थी. So then we did not even realize that he has already kept that chair. So thank you so much. It was really sweet of you. Thank you. He's working here for the last 14 years, and I appreciate him, the dedication that he has towards his work.
Thank you.
So this is Mr. Satish. He takes care of the Indian cuisine. वो पर्सनली जाके मुझे पूछते हैं कि तुम्हें रोटी चाहिए, एंड टुडे ऑल्सो ही वेंट एंड ही चेक कल सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में डोसा है या नहीं है, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वेटेड टू हैव डोसा. सो थैंक यू मिस्टर सतीश. इट इज वेरी स्वीट ऑफ यू.
Thank you very much.
Can you put your mask down so that we can all see you? Yeah, so this is Mr. Satish. He takes care of all the South Indian cuisine actually, I guess. And he
Thank
makes
you.
yummy.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, so finally the vlog is getting ended, and I guess आप सबको अच्छा लगा होगा by me introducing to Mr. Alam and to Mr. Satish. They're really very humble and very sweet people. So that's it. It was a very tiring day and a very beautiful day. All credit goes to him who organized. So see you tomorrow. So something
With a
exciting.
surprise.
Yeah, with a surprise. So let's see. But few things I guess I've already know, and I guess the person who is going to see this video will get to know that
Will be more surprised than you.
that he has already leaked out some things. So fingers crossed. Okay, bye. Take care. Don't forget, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Twinkling Tips.